Hello and welcome. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Android Studio in Linux. The process is almost same for Ubuntu, MX Linux or Linux Mint and any other Debian based Linux distribution. So first of all you will have to install OpenJDK or Java Development Environment or Java Development Kit. You can visit this website and let me show you, or you can simply search for OpenJDK in Google or any other search engine like DuckDuckGo. Here we have OpenJDK download and install link, so you can open this link, and we have instructions for Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Oracle Linux, Red Hat and many other Linux distributions. And now if I open my terminal and type this command, you can see the current version. Next, we need to download Android Studio. So you can visit developer.android.com/studio to download Android Studio for Linux. And if we scroll down, you can see some screenshots and how it works. And we can also see some guides and tutorials and some other options to download this one. Then we have offline components, community tools, and system requirements. So it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is also available for Chrome OS. You can see requirements for Windows. Minimum 4 GB RAM is recommended for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Then we have this 64-bit distribution capable of running 32-bit applications for Linux, GNOME or KDE desktop environment. Then we have some RAM requirements. So 4 GB RAM is recommended minimum, but 8 GB is recommended, 4 GB is minimum. Then we have 2 GB of available disk space and 4 GB is recommended. And then you can see minimum screen resolution, which is recommended. You can simply click on this download Android Studio button. You can also see size of this file. Click on it. Then we need to check this option. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. So you can read all these terms and conditions and click download Android Studio for Linux and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded this one, so I'm not going to download it again. And now here you can see we have this Android Studio. Now we need to extract all these files, so right click and choose extract here. Now all files have been extracted, so you can see we have this Android Studio folder. Open this one and then we need to open this bin folder. In bin folder you can see this studio.sh. So we have this studio.sh file, so simply right click anywhere and choose open terminal here option. Now you can see the location. Now we need to execute this file studio.sh. As I told you earlier, simply right click and choose open terminal here. So my terminal is already open and you can see we are inside this directory, or you can type pwd or print workly directory to make sure you are inside bin directory. Now to execute this one you need to type studio.sh, hit enter, and you can see this config or installation folder, so you can import your earlier settings, but this is the new installation, so I will click, or I will choose do not import settings option. Click OK. Now we have this data sharing option, so you can send usage status to Google, or you can choose don't send option. I'm going to click don't send button. You can see this welcome screen, welcome Android Studio, and this wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. Additionally, the wizard will help port existing Android apps into Android Studio or create a new Android application project. Click next. Now we have two options where we can choose from standard or custom installation. So uh, I'm going to select the standard installation option. And for the standard installation, you can see we have Android Studio will be installed with the most common settings and options recommended for most users. So it is the standard option is recommended. So I'm going to choose this one, and then you can click next. Now we have two user interfaces themes. We have Dracula for dark and light as well. I'm going to choose Dracula dark theme. I prefer dark themes. Click next. And now we can also see if you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. So to verify your setting, you can click next button. If you want to change some setting, you can click previous button to go back. And now you can also see it will also install some other components such as Android emulator, Android SDK build tools, and some other options. You can see total download size is around 555 MB. Click next and make sure you are connected to internet. Now you can see this message. We have detected that your system can run the Android emulator in an accelerated performance mode. Linux-based systems support virtual machine acceleration through KVM or kernel mode virtual machine software package. And here you can see search for install instruction for your particular Linux configuration, Android KVM Linux installation. That KVM is enabled for faster Android emulator performance. You can click on this link as well to learn more about this one. So here you can see some instructions how to configure VM acceleration on Linux. Now click on finish button and it will start downloading other packages. So now it depends on your internet speed. This might take some time. So just wait. And now you can see downloading components is done and Android SDK is up to date. We can see this finish option. So simply click on this finish button. And now you can see this welcome screen, welcome to Android Studio. We can start a new Android project. We can open an existing Android Studio project. Then we can see some other options. You can also create a desktop entry. If you tap on this configure option, you can see all available options and we have this create desktop entry. So click on the create desktop entry. And now here we have some this message. You can create a desktop entry for easier starting studio from system menu and better desktop integration. So we can check this option to create the entry for all users requires super user privileges. Click OK. Now type your password. Click authenticate. Now if you will go to start menu and search for studio, you can see this entry of Android Studio. So you can easily launch Android Studio. Now if I click on this start a new Android Studio project button, you can see this screen and we can select a project template. We have no activity option, basic, empty, and all other options. So this is how you can easily install Android Studio on your Linux system. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please consider subscribing our channel for more videos.